All right, guys, welcome back to Talking Charts, a subsidiary to Wolfman Trades. Right. Today I'm going to doing a quick recap of the previous session and our plan from yesterday, how it worked out. All right. So sit tight and let us jump into the charts. Starting with the pound JPY. Um, our plan for yesterday, I think, was pretty obvious that we are simply operating within this box. All right. So my recommendation was short the tops and buy the bottoms, and that's basically what is happening right now with JPY or the pound JPY. We're just having this movement from consolidation here, um, back and forth, and you want to wait for a break above these zones if you really want to get a good risk to reward. You want to wait a break above the zone right here. Give me a second here. We need to break above 199.50, give or take, for us to be in a trend on this pair right now. But as long as we're trading within this box ish, it's just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. And right now we're seeing that's already happening. All right. Yesterday when we made this analysis, price was above this right here. And I said expect a dump, which actually did happen. All right. Price actually did dump all the way down here, made some money from it. And now price is retracing back to the resistance area all the way here. So if you were on this, you had these levels marked up in your charts yesterday from my previous analysis, you will be in the green right now. All right. That's as simple as that. You just want to either to get a movement on this pair, price either has to do that and consolidate and go back up, or price has to basically come back down here, all right, and sell off, then comes and retest this area as support, not as resistance. So that's basically it for the pound Japanese yen. Um, Moving into today is the same thing. Short the tops, long the bottoms. That's all you got to do. All right. Unless this support here breaks, then you want to be looking into waiting for a retest. Then you go short. All right. Next up, we have USDJPY. And as I said, price was reacting from this high volume zone for buys, and it actually did that. All right, go back to my previous video. It's an 11 minutes video. You can actually see that whatever I put up there actually just is happening right now. That we are acting off the support area here, and price is right there acting there. And I said you want to wait for price to come here and retest the support term resistance, because right here there was a support area here, and price broke through it. And right now, while making this video, price is retracing, or price did retrace all the way back to the resistance area now. All right, so the support now became resistance. The support is now acting as resistance, and as you can see, price moved up off from our level here that was marked up. Price didn't move up, and we're now reacting over this area of resistance now, turn support now turn resistance. All right. So if price has to break over this limit, over this, you want to see price above 147.48, then we're talking about a next area to short right here. Okay. So picture perfect. As I said, we have support term resistance, and we're acting below the support right now. We need price to break above the support or something like this. Price should shoot up like this, mitigate here, come back, test the support area again, then go up. All right. If we can do that, then this is probably going to keep falling down. Okay. So that is the option we have for that right now. British pound USD. And for that, my plan from yesterday was respected on one side, but on the other side, it blew through my support. All right. So what I was looking at basically was a price. Price was up here, and I was predicting price to dump to this area, and I was hoping the price could stay around here. But we just blew past this zone as well. But as you can see, when price came down here, for example, to this area that was drawn here as support, price did react from here. If you look at this, you look at this zone here. One second there. If you look at this zone here, price did react from here, came down as I predicted, and did a little bit of this. Gave us about another 30 pips from 33 to 63, gave us a 30 pip move and dump below the support area. Right now we are acting around this area here, and what I'm envisioning from price to do from now on or moving forward would be a possible deep retracement on this pair where I'll look for buys. One second here. I'm not giving a price to do this. I'm just gonna clear this out. What I see right now is for price to come back to this resistance sell short above expect supply. All right. So I want price to come back here to this area where I'm looking to take buys again. Right. This was a resistance zone, and I want price to do this, and we can take it from there. Right. So wait for your levels to hit and take on your trades. Do not force your trades, and all you have to do is wait. Also, this level that I'm marking right now is in conjunction with a previous day VWAP. So I got a VWAP here, all right? I have a VWAP here, and we have this high volume node area here. So this high volume node area here usually acts as support, all right? We have one right here that did act as support. Price came, it went back up. So expect to catch like a 30 pip move from this zone here, okay? That's a 134.82 or 134.80. You want to buy in this area and see what price gives you. All right, still support. See, this was the previous resistance. Now it could turn a support to the upside. All right, so that's my plan for the pound USD and Japanese. Let's try the USD CAD for the last one for today. Guys, you want to hit the like and subscribe, and you want to get notifications from this channel, because if you look at all of my analysis, they're actually giving pips, all right? They're giving profits. If you know what you're doing, you just follow my levels and you're going to make profits. Japanese USD CAD, basically the same thing. This box was drawn as some area of high volume to the upside. Price came back to this box, and you see now we are heading up again to retest this support turn resistance now. All right, so we are actually in this blue zone. That's actually another resistance zone above the zone, which we're looking at price to probably hit 136.77, which is a previous support area. So now we're looking for basically this mitigation here, this zone. Then you look for sales. All right, now if this doesn't work the way it is, if price is to probably move above this more like this, then this area now becomes support again to look for areas to the upside, or to the upside. So that's as simple as it gets for me right now. I only trade volume profile and price action. Support and resistance, demand zones, demand and supply is all I trade. I don't make my trade very complicated. I use the VWAP, the 9 EMA, and I think in the coming weeks I'm gonna be doing some videos on my trading strategy. Okay, and as I said, I want this channel to hit 200 subscribers before the end of this month, or before the end of August. That way, you can the first 100 subscribers will be getting daily signals, buy and sell signals, buy and sell levels on this pairs that I trade. All right, and by next month we'll be starting the millionaire trading journey, where I will be leading a few of my followers to become 100 years or millionaires by the end of the year. Right, we'll take a 6 months course and trade our levels and follow what we're doing here, and see how we can actually make some profits and make a good risk to. So by the end of the year, we can compound our profits and maybe make a few millionaires before this year ends. Okay, so if you want to join this journey, you follow me on YouTube, hit the like and subscribe button, comment on this video when you subscribe, comment, subscribe. If you share it, comment, share, and I will add you to the group of my followers that are interested in doing a millionaire trading journey. Okay, so right now pound is still falling down. Watching on that. And so this is also movement trades, because it's basically my other channel where I give daily signals as well. So follow, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, good luck, people. Good luck.